What's up, sneakerheads? Welcome back to FUNKYLACE, your #1 destination for everything sneakers. Today we're diving into the history and design of a classic basketball shoe that's been making waves since 1990s, the Nike Air Max CB 94s. So buckle up and let's get started. But before we do, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a beat from FUNKYLACE. Back in 1994, Nike released a shoe that will become a classic in the sneaker world. The Air Max CB 94, designed for the NBA Hall of Famer Charles Barkley, known for his aggressive playing style and tenacity on the court. This shoe quickly gained popularity amongst basketball fans and sneaker enthusiasts alike. But who's the mastermind behind the design? None other than legendary Nike designer Tinker Hatfield, who's also responsible for iconic sneakers like the Air Jordan 3 through the 15, the Air Max 1, and the Air Max 90, just to name a few. Now let's break down the design elements that make the Air Max CB 94 stand out. First, the upper features a mix of leather and synthetic materials for durability and support, with a thick padded collar offering ankle support and lockdown fit. The shoe also sports a sturdy rubber outsole for excellent traction on the court. But the real star of the show, the visible Air Max cushioning unit in the heel, which not only delivers a top-notch comfort and impact protection, but also adds a distinctive touch to the design. When the Air Max CB 94 first dropped, it rocked a bold black, purple, white color scheme, inspired by Charles Barkley then team, the Phoenix Suns, with the black nubuck upper, purple and white accents, and the eye-catching purple frame Air Max unit in the heel. This colorway remains an iconic and highly sought after by collectors and fans. Over the years, Nike has released several special edition and unique colorways of the Air Max 94s. Celebrating Barkley's career and significant moments in basketball history, let's run through a few of the most memorable ones. The USA colorway, released in 2015, pays homage to the 1992 USA Basketball Dream Team, featuring a white, navy, blue, and red color scheme. The triple black colorway, also released in 2015, gives the CB94 a sleek and stylish all-black makeover. The Godzilla edition, which dropped in 2020, rocks a black, purple, and green color scheme, with a reptilian texture and Godzilla graphics on the tongue, inspired by the legendary movie Monsters. And finally, the Varsity Purple colorway, a 2020 retro release that brings back the Phoenix Suns inspired colors with a predominantly white upper and purple and orange accents. So there you have it, sneakerheads, the story behind the iconic Nike Air Max CB 94s, designed for Charles Barkley by the legendary Tinker Hatfield. The Air Max CB 94 remains a beloved classic in the world of sneakers and basketball. Now it's your turn. What's your favorite Air Max CB 94 colorway or special edition? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to share this video with your fellow sneaker enthusiasts. As always, thanks for tuning in to FUNKYLACE. We'll be back soon with more exciting sneaker content. So make sure you stay subscribed, hit that like button, and click the notification bell to stay in the loop. Until next time, this is FUNKYLACE signing off. Keep it funky, sneakerheads. Hey, before you go, check out these other awesome videos on our channel. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Twitter @FUNKYLACE for exclusive sneak peeks, giveaways, and more. Catch you on the flip side.